Dear students, we have learned that a balanced diet contains all the nutrients required by our body. So we should take a diet containing food items that contains all the nutrients which our body needs. But if we go on taking a particular type of food all the time, our body will be deprived of other nutrients. For example, if a person takes too much of fat rich food, he may suffer from a condition called obesity. So obesity is a disorder which is caused due to overeating or frequent eating, lack or less of physical work or exercise, and other disorders. In obesity, the person becomes fat or obese and faces problems in doing physical work. Obesity is an excess accumulation of fat in our body. Most of the junk food and oily food contains fats which get stored in the body. So we should avoid junk food and oily food. So deficiency diseases. So we know that the essential food nutrients required by our body are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. If any one of these nutrients is in less quantity than required over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. So deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. So, if you refer to page 16 of your textbook, table 2.3, so you will get to see a list of minerals and vitamins, then deficiency diseases or disorders and their symptoms. So, deficiency of vitamin A leads to loss of vision. Symptoms are poor vision, meaning the person cannot see properly, loss of vision in darkness or night, that is called night blindness, and sometimes complete loss of vision, meaning the person completely loses his eyesight. Then vitamin B1, deficiency of vitamin B1 cause a disease called beriberi. The symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Then deficiency of vitamin C leads to scurvy. So symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Then deficiency of vitamin D leads to a disorder or deficiency disease called rickets. Symptoms are the bones become soft and bent. Deficiency of calcium leads to bone and tooth decay. So symptoms are weak bones and decaying of tooth. Deficiency of iodine leads to a disease called goiter. So symptoms are the glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. So deficiency of iron cause anemia, which leads to weakness. So here are some photos. So beriberi, you can see weak muscles. Then goiter, the glands in the neck appear swollen. Then comes rickets, the bone becomes soft and bent, and bleeding gums. This condition is called scurvy. So all these deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. So we should ensure that our meal should have a balance of different nutrients needed by our body.